This the last rose of summer, left blooming alone. All her lovely companions are faded and gone. However, in this video, I'll show you how to make origami roses which will not get fade easily. Hello friend, welcome back to our channel Art and Travel Studio. In today's video, I'll show you how to make these beautiful origami paper roses. This can be used as a home decor or can also be a beautiful Valentine gift for your beloved one. And the plus point of making these roses, the steps are neither very complicated nor very time taking. Anybody can make these roses with minimal materials which is easily available in market. So why to wait? Let's start learning. Materials. To make this rose, I have used a red color handmade paper which is easily available in market, but you can use any kind of paper of your choice. For green leaves and stick, I have used a normal origami paper. Apart from that, you need glue and a scissor. Here I have cut a small piece of red color paper to make a petal. The size of this paper is 5 cm by 10 cm. Now I will perform 3 easy steps to give this paper a shape of petal. Watch it carefully. One petal is done. In this way, we'll make total 9 petals. Now I will take 3 petals and keep it in a set. In this way, we'll have total 3 sets of petals. Next, I'll take a thread and tie all 3 sets one by one. Now I'll take another thread and tie up all 3 sets together. Here make sure that the grip of your thread and knots should be very tight. Now we are almost done. We just have to uplift the petals one by one and set it in order. And our rose is almost ready. Here I have used an ordinary ball pin to give the petals a little curly shape. If you don't like curly petals, you can ignore this step. Now I'll keep the rose aside and roll this green color origami paper to make the stick. Size of the paper is 16 by 20 centimeter. Stick is ready. Now I'll make a holder like shape in one side of the stick so that I can place the rose easily on top of it. And it is fixed. Now I'll add some lips, not only to guard the holders but also give the rose a majestic look. Adding some more lips, you can add as many as you want. And it is done. If you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more origami videos. And definitely try this at home and don't forget to share your experience of making origami roses with us. Soon we'll be back with a new video. Till then, keep watching and stay happy.